guys, welcome back to BeautiCo. So today in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys this beautiful daytime festive glam look that you could wear if you are maybe having some puja during the daytime, or if you have to go for a lunch to your relative's place to celebrate this festive season and you want to wear something really light on the skin but at the same time look a little glam, a little bit more on the festive side. So I thought this is the perfect look, and I have used all affordable products in this particular video. All are going to be mentioned in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And this is a very easy, soft, glam, beautiful looking makeup look that you could wear during the daytime on any outfit. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my skin using the Pond's Super Light Gel. This is an amazing moisturizer for the daytime. It's very light on the skin and does a fab job of keeping my skin hydrated. Next, I'm going to use a primer. For that, I'm using my Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer. You guys know that I absolutely love this particular primer. It just blurs my skin, fills in my pores, and makes my makeup last throughout the day. So I do have large pores right in my T-zone, my nose. So I'm just gonna press this primer into my skin. Next, I'm gonna use a concealer. I am not gonna use a foundation. I want my base to be super light, and during the daytime I usually end up using only a concealer to cover my dark circles, to correct my discoloration, spot concealing, and all of that, and it just gives me that very even light base that I'm looking for during the daytime. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. one. You can of course go ahead and use any concealer that you have. You can use the LA Gold Pro Conceal, or you can use the K-Beauty's concealer. These are some amazing concealers that you could use during the daytime because they're very light on the skin and they have a hydrating finish. I'm going to use the e.l.f. one. This one is more of a medium to full coverage, so a little bit goes a long way, and on top of that, this is very light on the skin. And the shade that I have with me is a medium sand. Around my mouth, because you can see the discoloration there, on my chin, around my nose, and then just spot concealing areas, and then on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. And now I'm gonna blend this out with my Pack Face S1 brush, and I'm first gonna start blending the spots. And then under the eyes, I like to blend it out with my damp beauty sponge, because that way it adds a lot more hydration under the eyes and it looks more healthy. And just running the sponge all over my face to pick up any excess product. So the next thing that I'm going to do is something that makes makeup look absolutely beautiful under daylight. I'm talking about a cream blush. You can use a tint, you can use a cream blush, you can use your lipstick, whatever cream based products that you have, that you can use on your cheeks. I don't usually bronze or contour during the daytime because sunlight, I feel like blush looks so beautiful on the cheeks and makes you look super healthy as well. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the Makeup Revolution's Super Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Flushing For You. It's a beautiful shade, but I have other options. If you don't have that, you could use the K-Beauty's Creme Blush. This one is the Flirty Nude one. Again, a beautiful blush. I have the Swiss Beauty one. This is the Cream and Tint in the shade Cinnamon. Again, a beautiful cheek color. Then I also do have the Love Earth ones. These also have some fun colors that you could, look at. And then finally I have this LA Girls Soft Matte Cream Blush. I think this is a recent launch, so you can use this. There are a lot of cream blushes available in the market. You can use your Benefit tint, you can use your Face Shop tint, you can use any liquid product on your cheeks. So I'm gonna use this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. I don't go directly on my cheeks, otherwise I end up applying too much. So I will take it on the back of my hand like that, and then I'm gonna use this brush from e.l.f. This is the buffing foundation brush, amazing to apply cream products with. And I'm just gonna pick it up from my hand like that and start stamping it on my cheeks. Look at that, it's so pretty. And all you have to do is just apply it on your cheeks just like that. And I'm gonna do the sun-kissed look today and just go over my nose and blend it into my hairline. That's all you need to do, and you have this flushed looking cheeks going on. Next I'm gonna set everything, and to set I am gonna use a compact powder. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Skin Powder, and I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Now I'm opting to use a compact because it's gonna add a little bit more coverage that I'm gonna need to set this base and make it look super flawless. And trust me, this particular compact powder is super light, not at all heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a puff like so. This one is from PAC. I'm gonna pick this compact powder on this particular puff, and I'm gonna start pressing this powder underneath my eyes first, just like that. You see the difference? It just added a little bit more coverage, but at the same time it's very natural looking. So this I recently learned, and I've been loving to do this because it actually honestly makes my makeup also last throughout the day without it feeling heavy. So just press it into the skin, and I'm just gonna set the same compact in a pressing motion, and I'm gonna set in my T-zone specifically because that's where I get oily. Next I'm gonna shape and fill my brows using the Sugar's Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe Tom, and then I'm gonna set it with my e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. I've been trying to grow my brows like naturally. I have not plucked them or anything since a month now. I want them to grow a little bit more thicker naturally because I really don't want that thin brow look that I used to do before. Next we are gonna do our eye makeup. For that I am gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. Now this has 5 beautiful shades in it. This is a very affordable, good quality eyeshadow palette. It does have a shimmer in it. So we are gonna start with this dark brown shade, and I am gonna create a wing using this particular dark brown. So I'm gonna use an angled brush for this. This one is from Verified. This is the #07 brush. It's a beautiful angled brush to do precise wings. And I'm gonna start by following my lower waterline towards my eyebrow and slowly start flicking it up like that, and then just joining it to my upper lash line just like that. So I'm gonna do a very soft wing for the daytime And then I'm going to take this glitter right here and I'm going to start pressing this on my eyelids just like that. And then using this particular light brown shade, I'm just going to apply this in my transition area just to give it some color. In windshield wiper motions, using a fluffy brush like that. This one is the Morphe brush. There are a lot of other brushes available in the market which are similar to this, so you can use any fluffy brush for this just to make everything look put together. And then on my lower waterline, I'm going to use a brown Kohl. This one is the Pack Kohl in the shade Coffee Brown. Now a brown usually makes eyes look much more softer, so that's why I love using a brown during the daytime. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lower waterline just like that. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Next, I'm gonna set my face using my PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Then for highlighter, I am gonna use the Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. And I'm gonna highlight the highest points of my cheeks right here. And my inner corners. Brow bone. And I give this one. Then for lips, I'm first gonna line my lips using my Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner in the shade Spice Note. And then for lipstick, I am going to use the Swiss Beauty's Lip Stain Matte Lipstick in the shade Hazelnut. I'm just going to mix in the shade Bombay from the Nykaa's Matte to Last on the center of my lips just to add a little bit of depth. So yeah guys, this is my beautiful soft festive glam look that you could wear during the daytime. As you saw, the base is very light, you have this flushed cheeks, a dewy skin going on, but the eyes are really festive, but they are very easy to do. And you can definitely change up the lip color if you want. I'm more of a nude girl, I will always pick up a nude, but if you are more of a brighter lip shade, you can definitely wear a pink, you can wear a red, you can wear peaches. Any lip color is gonna suit this particular makeup look. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. If you all have any suggestions or any videos that you all would like to see in the future, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I think I'm gonna go now. If you all did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, also subscribe to my channel, and I think I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.